Hey everybody, thanks for watching. This Jeff with As Good As It Gets. I am just kicking back right now in North Miami Beach near Surfside at Baker's Haulover Inlet. This is one of the roughest inlets in all of Florida and, well, one of the roughest in the United States. This joins Biscayne Bay and the Atlantic Ocean. Here you can see a police boat is going out from Biscayne Bay out into the Atlantic near Haulover Beach. Very, very rough. And this is one of the calmer days too. Small watercraft coming in. Now, coming in, especially on a smaller watercraft, you ride the wave in. Just keep your throttle bow up and keep your throttle just so you can surf the wave in. He is riding it in just right. Alright, he did a great job bringing it in. He is through the hardest part of the inlet. Let's just kick back and watch a few boats going in and out to include a personal watercraft coming up. Enjoy. You do have the sound of the wind, which gives you, well, a realistic feel of what it is like here at Haulover. It is a weekday, so it's a relatively calm day. These guys stopped to say hello and pose for the camera real quick. They give us a wave. This is a very popular filming area due to the amount of mishaps that happen, collisions, capsize, rescues, and so forth. And here's our police boat coming back in from doing his shore patrol. And there they go into patrol Biscayne Bay, maybe go back to their dock. Thanks for hanging out. That's just a few boats at Haulover. If you've been at Haulover, leave your comments down below. We invite you to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow us on Instagram at As Good As It Gets. And have a great day. Ciao, ciao for now from North Miami. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.